as the county returning officer for the Nairobi City County Governor Elections 2022, do hereby declare that Johnson Arthur Sakaja is duly elected the Governor for Nairobi City County 2022. Thank you very much. The certificate of the elected county governor reads as follows. The county returning officer hereby declares that Johnson Arthur Sakaja of passport number A1627553 has been duly elected as the county governor for Nairobi City County in the election held on 9th day of August 2022. A county returning officer, Gogo Albert Nguma, signature dated this 14th day of August 2022. Thank you very much.